Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create a broadcast channel on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and it's without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead first access a particular Instagram account. Once you have done so, this kind of interface is gonna pop up, right? Go ahead, tap on this message icon on top right corner of the screen. Now here you're gonna see all of the messages that you have done and your interactions. Now tap on this pencil icon on top right corner. Now here in this section, after this achieved, you will be able to find this option called create a new broadcast channel. Go ahead, tap on that option. Currently it is not available for us, but if it's available for you, go ahead, tap on it. Afterwards, it will let you have this option of create a channel name, where you're going to go ahead, enter a channel's name, then it will show audience. If you want to choose followers, go ahead, choose it, it will show you. So in the audience it will be followers, and in the options it will show channel on profile. If you want your channel to be featured on profile, you can turn it on. If you don't, you can turn it off. Afterwards, you can tap on this done and you can save it, and you can create yourself a new broadcast channel like that. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you guys in our next video.